Blocking is more than just moving around a stage. It's storytelling through space. But even experienced actors and directors make blocking mistakes that weaken a scene. In this video, we're breaking down 5 common stage blocking errors, how they hurt your performance, and what to do instead. Mistake 1. Moving without motivation. Actors often move just to fill space. But movement without a reason is distracting. Every step should reflect your character's objective, not your nerves. Ask yourself, why am I moving? What does my character want right now? Instead, use blocking to reflect intention, tension, escape, connection, status. Mistake 2. Turning your back on the audience. Yes, theater is 3D, but the audience still needs to hear and see you. Turning your back kills projection, emotion, and energy. And no, doing it realistically doesn't make it powerful, just inaudible. Instead, use quarter turns, open angles, and cheat subtly toward the audience. Mistake 3. Clumping. When actors cluster together mid-stage with no contrast, it flattens the stage picture. There's no focus, just a wall of bodies. Instead, use levels, spacing, and clear focus points to shape the visual story. Mistake 4. Ignoring power positions. Blocking should reflect the power dynamic in the scene. If your villain is cowering in a corner while the victim stands tall at center stage, the story collapses. Instead, use height, proximity, and stage areas to reinforce who holds the power and when that changes. Mistake 5. Playing in a straight line. This one's common in student theater. Everyone stands in a flat line across the stage. It looks stiff, unnatural, and it kills depth. Instead, stagger positions and angles. Use diagonal staging to create flow and interest. Bonus tip. Rehearse blocking like it's part of the acting. Blocking isn't separate from performance. It is performance. Don't wait until the final week to add in the moves. Build your blocking from the character's mindset, not a floor plan. Want more performance hacks like this? Comment below with the blocking mistake you've seen or made, and subscribe for weekly drama and performing arts tips from Llama. And remember, great actors don't just move, they move with meaning.